Hello students, today will we discuss about elements of short story. Okay? इसके एलिमेंट्स पढ़ने से पहले हम जान लेते हैं शॉर्ट स्टोरी क्या है। शॉर्ट स्टोरी एक प्रोज फिक्शन का प्रकार है मॉडर्न एज में। ओके, short story is a kind of prose fiction, and in the modern age it has achieved great importance and occupies a significant place in literature. The definition of short story is not easy because its range and style are unlimited, and it cannot be confined to certain limitation of rules. As its title denotes, it covers only a few pages and offers a short time entertainment. It can be read in a period half to 1 hour, and therefore brevity is the most outstanding characteristics of a short story. ओके, ये कुछ ही पेज की होती है, शॉर्ट टाइम की होती है और ये एंटरटेनमेंट करती है. The writer has to observe certain rules, and writing short story requires certain technique in matter and treatment both. Short story is considered to be the most popular genre of literature in the modern age, and as a part of literature it was accepted in the last century only. But the origin of a short story is very old, perhaps as old as the civilization itself. It has been popular in every age and every country since times immemorial. All men and women, young or old, have enjoyed them and have felt entertained while reading them. The earliest form of short story can be found in the morality books, but they took a proper form of the story in the tales of adventure and bravery among the tribal heroes. They deal with the theme of their bravery and heroic deeds, and they can be said to the origin from ancient myths and legends. They are full of various such tales as were not written but told from generation to generation by the word of mouth. The popularity of Arabian Nights and the Decameron prove the importance of short story in the human society. कोई भी शॉर्ट स्टोरी लिखते समय उसके एलिमेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं. जैसे फर्स्ट है आपका प्लॉट. प्लॉट भी लिखते समय इसमें क्या कहते हैं, 6 एलिमेंट होते हैं. ये प्लॉट हो गया आपका, कुछ कैरेक्टर्स हो गए, किसी भी शॉर्ट स्टोरी की सेटिंग या थॉट मीन्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, डायलॉग्स हो गए, लैंग्वेज, किस स्टाइल में लिखना है, किस भाषा का यूज करना है, किस तरीके के डायलॉग्स लिखने हैं. प्लॉट भी 2 प्रकार के होते हैं, लूज प्लॉट और ऑर्गेनिक प्लॉट. लूज प्लॉट में फंक्शन ऑफ द प्लॉट, ग्रेटनेस ऑफ द प्लॉट, नेचर ऑफ द प्लॉट, यानी सिंपल प्लॉट, कॉम्प्लेक्स प्लॉट, किस तरीके से हमें उसकी थीम रखनी है ये बताते हैं. ये एक रॉ मटेरियल होता है नॉवेल का. ये स्टोरी इज अ नैरेटिव ऑफ इवेंट्स अरेंज द टाइम सीक्वेंस. Narrative of events same time explains the connection with two events. इसमें सेम टाइम एक्सप्लेन किया जाता है। ओके, नेक्स्ट है थीम। थीम जो होती है वो रीडर का परसेप्शन या इंटरप्रिटेशन होता है। थीम अलाउ करती है फॉर लिटरेचर टू रिमेन मीनिंगफुल, लिविंग वर्क्स दैट कैन बी रिविजिटेड एंड एनालाइज्ड इन perpetuity by many readers at once or by a single reader across time। मतलब एक एज अ रीडर्स इन फॉर रिफ्लेक्ट एंड एनालाइज अ लिटरेरी थीम, दे डेवलप अ ग्रेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग of the work itself and can apply this understanding beyond the literary work as a means of grasping a better sense of the world। इसमें क्या होता है, डीपर मीनिंग होते हैं थीम में, किस तरीके की थीम लेनी है, ये सब शॉर्ट स्टोरी के एलिमेंट्स हैं। नेक्स्ट है पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्या होना चाहिए, यानी थॉट्स। ये एक पर्सपेक्टिव है विच अ स्टोरी इज नैरेटेड। एवरी स्टोरी हैज अ पर्सपेक्टिव, हर स्टोरी का अपना पर्सपेक्टिव होता है। दो देयर कैन बी मोर देन वन टाइम ऑफ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इन वर्क ऑफ लिटरेचर। जो मोस्ट कॉमन पॉइंट है वो है फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर यानी आई, और थर्ड पर्सन ही एंड शी। नेक्स्ट है नैरेटिव टेक्निक मीन्स करेक्टराइजेशन। सॉरी, करेक्टराइजेशन में करेक्टर क्या है, एक डिस्टिंक्टिव मार्क है। इस मीन्स नेचर ऑफ सर्टेन ऑब्जेक्ट। ये एक आर्ट है। करेक्टराइजेशन इज द आर्ट ऑफ पोर्ट्रायल ऑफ अ कैरेक्टर हु इज द इंडिविजुअल इन अ लिटरेरी पीस ऑफ वर्क लाइक द ड्रामा और फिक्शन। द कैरेक्टर इज द पर्सन हु परफॉर्म्स द रोल। यानी कि इन द ड्रामा कैरेक्टर इज कॉल्ड द ड्रामेटिक पर्सन। इन फिक्शन he is the person who suffers the plot, he is the performer of the action. The novelist develops the theme through the character. Next, narrative technique. या structure. The term narrative used as a noun means a tale or a story. It is a recital of facts or the experience of the narrator earned from history learned from a third person. Technique means the technical skill in art. So the narrative technique in fiction is mechanical skill to carry on the tale which the novelist has to narrate. Next are language. लैंग्वेज किस टाइप की होनी चाहिए कोई भी स्टोरी लिखते समय। द स्टडी ऑफ लैंग्वेज इन लिटरेचर इन अदर फॉर्म्स ऑफ डिस्कोर्स हैज ट्रेडिशनली बीन द टास्क ऑफ rhetoric, an ancient discipline that attempted to understand and teach the art of crafting effective persuasive discourse. The tradition of rhetoric still influences the analysis and classifications of figure of speech and other linguistic devices employed in contemporary prose fiction. The short story writer is compelled to observe certain limitations. He has to concentrate his attention on a particular event, idea or character and cannot deal with anything on a wider scale. Everything unnecessary has to be skillfully taken away. This singleness of aim, directness of method and concentration lead to creating powerful impression, though it needs a very great care and great skill, which any defect of any type in a short story can be easily pointed out. It cannot present life in all its variety, and there is no possibility of the gradual evolution of character. It is now generally recognized that the short story is one of the most popular forms of literary composition. The modern reader has no time to read a large novel because it requires much patience. So he wants something that he can read in a short time. Whenever he finds time and short story comes forward to satisfy this argue. It is a very perfect short time entertainment. Secondly, the spread of education and development in journalism have contributed much to its popularity. People are not interested in reading thoughtful works, but they want something lighter and short stories satisfy this demand, and so the evolution of the short story has something to do with evolution of the general reader. In the modern age, there is a large variety of short stories, and new year writers are coming forward in this field. They are bringing the stories of highest merit, and so the literature of short stories is very rich. It is unanimously agreed that the short stories were present in the Old Testament, and most popular old stories can be found in Chaucer's Canterbury Tales. Maupassant wrote about 300 stories on various subjects. Maugham is considered to be the best story writer of the world, and people read them with great pleasure even today. They reveal his wide knowledge of men and women of all the working classes. Okay, thank you for watching.